has been the pioneer in supporting innovation and entrepreneurship. Startup is a flagship initiative program of Government of India intended to catalyst startup culture and build strong innovation and entrepreneurship in India, which shall drive sustainable economic growth and generate large-scale employment opportunities. India is becoming a hub for the startup initiatives with more than 93,000 plus startup entities which have been registered with the Department of Promotion for Energy, Industry and Internal Trade so far. In order to meet the objective of the startup movement, Bank of India has launched 3 special startup centers with dedicated startup focused branches. 3 centers across Pan India are at Bangalore, Mumbai and New Delhi. The focus branches will provide all necessary bank services to startups under the one roof. These branches will serve as a hub for entrepreneurs in the startup ecosystem and will end-to-end financial services. These dedicated branches, startup branches, have a specially designed startup desk with a relationship manager also. These 3 identified special branches are at the main branch in Bangalore, Parliament Street at New Delhi and the Turve Navi Mumbai at Mumbai. Bank of India has identified further 9 more branches for startup focus which shall be operational in the near future once these branches get stabilized. I would just like to inform over here that with respect to that MSME and startup focused branches, our Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade has taken this initiative for startups, and as on date, as I said, that around 90,000 plus startups have already been registered, and this is all part of the Make in India and the Digital India concept which the Government of India has launched. So DPIIT has also notified the establishment of CGSS, which is the Credit Guarantee Scheme for startups, wherein loans up to 3 crores for startups will get a guarantee cover of 80% of the loan amount. Loans above 3 crores up to 5 crores will get a guarantee cover of up to 75% of the loan amount. Will be MSME units. ये सब MSME units होंगे mostly, क्योंकि as per the revised definition of Government of India under the MSME Act, 50 करोड़ तक की इन्वेस्टमेंट इन प्लांट एंड मशीनरी एंड 250 करोड़ तक का टर्नओवर इज क्लासिफाइड अंडर द स्मॉल माइक्रो एंड मीडियम इंडस्ट्री. सो इतना बड़ा जो गैम्बेट हो गया है MSME का,